Racing just started. We have Angel Eunice. Break quickly at the start. Moving up Santeria. And on the outside comes Dailies. Jen's Joy. Classical Jade expecting Kaitlin. While flying Georgie is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn. We have Angel Eunice by about 2 lengths. Santeria in second. Classical Jade is by the rail third. Moving up now at the outside is Dailies. Jen's Joy comes next, expecting Kaitlin, while flying Georgie still racing in less by about 8 lengths from last to first. Back to the leader, we have Angel Eunice by about 3/4 of a length lead. Santeria in second. Moving up now at the outside is Dailies. Classical Jade comes next, expecting Kaitlin, Jen's Joy, while flying Georgie still racing in last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Dailies. Santeria is running by the rail. Last day swing for home. We have Dailies by length and a half. And in second comes Santeria. Classical Jade expecting Kaitlin. Last 100 meters we have Dailies. This time by about 4 lengths over Santeria, and finally Dailies. Second, close between Classical Jade, Santeria, then comes expecting Kaitlin, Angel Eunice.